Hey guys, it's Ramsey Holbrook here, your mortgage specialist. I have my credit partner, Allyson with Rising Point Solutions, and this month we're going to be going over the top 5 common mistakes people make when they're trying to repair credit on their own. So stay tuned for more information. Stay tuned to Ramsey's Insight. Hi, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist, and today I have Allyson, my credit partner with Rising Point Solutions. This month we are going over the top 5 common mistakes people make when they're trying to repair credit on their own. Number 5, top common mistake people make when trying to repair credit on their own.
First one that comes to mind that's popular is online disputing. Going on a website that you monitor your credit and having the option of disputing. In theory, it's great because it's one click, but disputing is just not that simple. You run risks of actually waiving your rights to ever dispute on that account again. So that's a big no-no.
Yeah.
And also you got to think about, what are you saying in the disputes? If they're online generated by a computer, what is it saying, and is it very effective? No. So online disputing really isn't that effective.
Okay. Allyson, thank you so much for being with us today. I really appreciate it. If you have any more questions, want more tips, tricks about credit repair, all things mortgage, tune into Ramsey's Insight, or you can reach me at ramseyloans.com. Until then, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist.